Welcome to Quarter 3, Week 6 Points to Remember. And our topic for today is finding the elapsed time in minutes and seconds. So let us identify what is an elapsed time. When we say elapsed time, it is the length of time when an event happened from the start to the end. It is the duration of an activity that has been done. How to find an elapsed time? So, we have to, 1, subtract. So, we can do subtraction the time when the event started from the time the event ended. We can also do the number line. So, we can use number line to identify the elapsed time. Jane's group started working on their math project at 8:15 a.m. They finished at 8:50 a.m. How long did it take to Jane's group to finish the math project? So we have here the 8:50 minus 8:15. So 8:50 is the time the activity ended, while 8:15 is the time the activity started. So the difference, we will find the difference. First, we could subtract 0 from 5, cannot be. So we will borrow from the tens group. So 5 will become 4. And the 1 will goes to the ones digit. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. So 35 minutes. And 35 minutes is what we call the elapsed time. Another example. Kenneth walks to school every day. He starts walking at 6:30 a.m. and arrives at school at 7:05 a.m. How long does he walk to school? So we will have to subtract the time ended to the time started. The time he ended walking is at 7:05 a.m. less the time he started walking, that's at 6:30 a.m. So this is the time ended. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 0 minus 3 cannot be, so we will borrow from the hundreds digit. Remember, we are talking about an hour. So time. So an hour has an equivalent to 60 minutes. So 7, we have been borrowed 1, so it will become 6. This 1 hour will be changed into minutes, so this will become 60 minutes. So 6 from the tens. So we will now subtract 6 less 3 is equals to 3. Then that will be the elapsed time, 35 minutes. So another example I will show to you is the number line. So this is another example, the number line. So we have the time for the activity ended, and we also have the time the activity started. So the time it started at 6:30 in the morning. So we will have an interval of 5 minutes. So 6:35, 6:40, 6:45, 6:50, 6:55, and 7 o'clock. Then 7:05, that's the time he ended walking. So as we say, that is an interval of 5 minutes. So from 6:30 to 6:35 is 5. another 5, and so on and so forth. So we will count how many 5 minutes are there. So 5 times 7, that's 35. So a total of 35 minutes. And that is our elapsed time. So thank you for listening to our quarter 3 week 2 points to remember. If you still have queries or questions, you may contact your advisor for more information and to clarify your questions. Once again, thank you and see you again for our next video for you to help our quarter 3 week 2 activity 1. Have a nice day. And this video credits to Ordaneta City Division's Grade 4 Virtual Instruction members. We have Sir Mandy B. Medriaga, Sir Rodel L. Medriano, Leopoldo L. Palaylay, Maylene T. Zunyo, Rosie M. Castro, Mary Jane E. Tabilas, Divina B. Rimundo, and Catherine M. Atienza. And of course, with the supervision of our Educational Program Supervisor 1 in Mathematics, Ma'am Gloria Victoria M. Gravela. Thank you and see you again next time.